Hey guys, what's up? Matt here. Welcome to another episode of Just the Tip. Just for 1 minute to see how it feels. What we're gonna do today in this lockdown edition, this is my house. So what we're gonna talk about is how to be a better listener. So cue the intro and we'll put 2 minutes on the clock. Bye. All right guys, so how do we be a better listener? You might say, well, my friend, I'm glad that you asked, and I'm glad that you were listening because that's a good thing. So what we're gonna be talking about is listening, okay? Now, there's a lot of really good strategies to listening, but essentially listening is a very, very important part of sales because when I review sales calls, it drives me absolutely mental. I can hear the internal monologue. That's right, I can hear your internal monologue just overreaching and just deafening you to what the prospect's actually saying. A prospect is like a puzzle, right? And you're given the puzzle, the jigsaw puzzle, in the actual box and has every single piece required to make that puzzle. And you guys, just for some reason, refuse to use all the pieces because you're so busy looking for corners that the middle bits you just kind of throw out, right? And so what you need to do is practice a quiet mind strategy. Now, I use cards. A lot of you have seen me with cards in my hand or something, and that kind of helps me quiet my mind. But the most important thing in learning how to listen is truly understanding your process in depth and memorizing your script and knowing where you're going at all times, which gives you the ability just to sit back and listen to what the prospect is saying. Then you won't miss any important stuff, okay? So it's super important. I want you to go away, figure out what your quiet mind strategy is, go and read your script 3, 4, 5, 600 times. Then from there, you'll be in a position to where you can actually listen to your prospects. All right, guys, bye.